Maybe you have accumulated some funds over the years and you want to invest those funds. However, as an investor, you want to ensure that you invest your funds in safe instruments. You might have numerous questions, but primarily, how do you ensure which companies to choose from? Enter the credit rating agencies. But what exactly are credit rating agencies? And what are their roles? The most popular credit rating agencies are Standard & Poor's, Moody's, and Fitch. Let's find out about their roles exactly. These rating agencies will assess companies based on numerous information, namely their financial statements, and they will give a rating accordingly. Example, a AAA rating would imply that the company is safe, whereas a C rating would imply that the company is risky. However, a word of caution. While the rating agencies can assist in investment decisions, their analysis are mostly based on past data. For instance, the rating agencies failed to detect risky mortgage-backed securities at Lehman Brothers, which led to the 2008 crisis. It's good to know, however, that some of these rating agencies have existed since the 1900s, and hence they continue to be an important source for investment decisions. My name is Shaktee Ramtohul. I am an ACCA tutor and a business consultant. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos on accounting, banking, and finance.